Okay, I'm going to change the caliper out because it's frozen on this 2001 Excursion. It's a pretty heavy caliper. First things first, I'm going to block off the brake hose. Basically, I'm taking first we'll remove the caliper, and I'm going to just remove these bolts right here. Okay, so hopefully the caliper comes free. It is stuck, so that caliper's pretty stuck. I'm just going to take it all out. Take the caliper away. Over here for now. Okay. Then we'll take the bracket off. Take the bracket off. Take those out. And we'll get the new parts on. The install will be in reverse, so let's put the bracket on first. We'll change over the hose mount. Since I blocked off here, I shouldn't lose that much fluid. And now we'll take and put the hose okay, and then we'll just tighten that. And just make sure it's tight, and then you can release the hose. That's it for that.